making vegan overnight oats. It's a real no-brainer because it's packed with nutrients and it's very simple to make. Alright, all you're going to need for a 3 servings is 100 grams of oatmeal, which I've already measured, 375 milliliters of almond milk, some sunflower seeds, which are optional but add a really nice crunch, some chia seeds, 1 mashed banana and cinnamon. Okay, all you really need to do is put it all together. Start by mixing in the almond milk, the 1 mashed banana, you're going to add about a teaspoon of cinnamon, two tablespoons of chia seeds, around about the same amount of sunflower seeds, sweeteners optional in this case. You're welcome to use maple syrup, coconut sugar, anything like that. And then we're simply going to whisk it all together. You don't need to overmix in this case, it will settle and soak overnight. The cinnamon will likely stay on the top, that's fine. We will mix it again tomorrow morning, and then you simply cover it and leave it in your refrigerator overnight. So the oats have soaked overnight and this is the product. It's now time to serve the overnight oats. So our serving toppings, we have some chopped almonds, some blueberries, some almond butter and hemp seeds. Other toppings you can use is chopped banana, some grated chocolate, anything like that. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to start with a layer of oats and then alternate between the different toppings. It doesn't have to be perfect. Some blueberries. The main goal is to show the different layers in the glass. So get a bit to the sides. Chopped almonds. Sprinkling of hemp seeds. We will leave the almond butter just for the top, so we go back to oats. You can already see nice layers forming. Almonds. Blueberries.